Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like the video, comment, share, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Today we're going to be talking about Spice, dancehall queen, send a serious message out there to RT Boss and to the others who want to see her demise. So we're going to jump right into her live and watch it, and you guys can leave in the comment section what do you think about what she's saying, if whatever she's saying is right, because everybody have their own opinion. So just leave it in the comment section. Let's check out the video.
Sickness no stop at my door alone, So all who jump and skip and knock, all who have to make sure say when you sick too, God dead if you too. And when you say me I go dead, me want to know if now go dead. If I go live, and me alone I go dead. Or if I the whole away I go dead. Because no matter who dead first, me no accept say me have to dead. Now go dead. Me want ask you to make sure so you can answer this blood clots. Because I have this narrative stuck on me. Like I'm me alone in the universe. I don't realize say anything you say go bounce off of me and stick to blood clot like glue. So me want ask you and you all on up on the life. If I'm me alone, I go dead. Some reason people just hate upon you when they know what you have achieved. So I keep it a secret. But me, for reach right here so, I make you make me sad. Me reason with my real bestie them, because I have some bestie out there where certain things really get to them and it bother them and it makes it bother me. But I want to tell them to stop make people bother them because them not bother me. Me just sit down and a whole a reason and look into it because I want to get in my mindset and the knowledge and the mindset what I have. You believe that after all of what I have overcame, going to school with nothing, and after walking to school for days and years of going to St. Catherine High School with not $1 in my pocket, and one day I go to school and come home and my house burned down flat, me homeless, everything when me did have, because I never have nothing ready for morning and no evening, and I reach home, my house burned down flat on the ground. I'm homeless and I go walk and catch with people. Big up the Smiths family where used to take me in them house and feed me.
There you have it, viewers and subscribers. Please like the video, please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you for watching if you reached this far in the video. What I'm saying right now is, viewers and subscribers, this thing is going too far. You know what I mean? Because the person that named RT Boss, on his live, he says he's not going to stop Obia Spice until Spice dead and him son. So what could I make a man really come on live and say them thing there, viewers and subscribers? Leave it in the comment section, because to me, this thing I get out of hand. You see me? And I don't know what the government are do in a Jamaica, you see me, or the police them, because when RT Boss say on him live, whole heap of people hear RT Boss say all time out, Whole heap of people don't like it. You see me? Despise if they don't like Spice or whatever, they don't like RT Boss say all time out. And Muda say him wrong for come on live and say that. So him done said already and him can't take it back. You see me? And everything is just a matter of time, Because everything going to play out in a video. You see me? We're going to see everything, man. So just leave in on the comment section if you think what I'm saying is wrong. You know what I mean? Because your opinion do matter. Until the next one, I'm out. God bless everyone.